In about 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how one of the most basic crypto tools will absolutely prevent mass adoption. And then I'll show you how we can fix it with ease. Block explorers show what's happening on the blockchain. If you want to check your balances or see if a payment's gone through or go over your history, a block explorer is for you. One small problem. A block explorer will not only show this information to you, but to anyone who looks up your blockchain address. Wait, what? People assume that since blockchain addresses are pseudonymous, that they can't be tracked. But that's super wrong. Your address is a persistent name, and blockchains are perfect ledgers. So once somebody links your address to the name, they can see everything you've ever done. And it's easy to get someone's name. Every time you do a transaction with someone you know or a service using KYC, you give them that link. Then they can just look at all your transactions and see what other accounts you use. There are companies out there scraping every transaction to link everyone to their crypto. It's not gonna happen, it already happened. Your blockchain data is used by corporations and for sale on the dark web, and there's no undo button for this. And AI only makes it worse. You see how this will prevent mass adoption, right? Even if crypto fans accept that our transactions are public, the 5 billion new folks coming won't. Blockchain without account privacy does not bank the unbanked. No one will put all their financial transactions somewhere that anyone can read them. Businesses definitely won't put all their customer and vendor relationships online for their competitors to see. And there's even a real danger of having criminals able to see who has a lot of crypto. We've seen a lot of phishing and even home invasions targeting crypto holders. How did people not see that this was going to be a problem? What we need is account privacy so that you can see your accounts in the block explorers, but others only see what you allow. The ease protocol includes privacy features that do exactly that. When you check your balances on our Easy for Everyone super app, you see everything, but anyone else could only see the transactions they've done with your account or any public information you share like your social handle, status, and avatar. Of course, some accounts should be public and transparent, and Ease supports that. But to me, we should default to account privacy. There are a few different ways to build this. You could sign every single transaction with a zero knowledge proof, but doing that adds a heavy computational load on the chain, raises operational costs, which will be passed on to the users, and reduces the real TPS the chain can handle. The bigger problem is that this makes every transaction private to everyone, which sounds awesome until you realize that chains that do this will always be seen as outlaws by governments, who will never accept full-blown privacy chains. The Ease protocol team believes that working with governments to give them the minimum tools they need to govern and enforce their laws is the path forward towards crypto mass adoption. That's why we achieve account privacy by gating data access from our sequestered encryption API so that your neighbors and business rivals can't see what you do. This is how we can have blockchain security and government acceptability with Ease. If you think that the Ease protocol's account privacy tools seem pretty great, why not check out some of our other groundbreaking features at ease.tech.